welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge. Get started in social media. I'm Amy Stack, and today is day 59 of our challenge, how to add a watermark. In this challenge, you'll learn how to add a watermark logo or subscribe button to your video, and you can use this to constantly show your logo to prompt people to go ahead and subscribe to your channel. Before we get started, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing with technology for your business, go ahead and start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and then the bell icon. So you can encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel by adding a branding watermark to your videos, often called a custom subscribe button. So you may have heard of it by that name as well. When you add a watermark, viewers can actually directly subscribe to your channel if they hover over it when they're using YouTube on a computer. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like. Let's exit out of here. And we're going to expand my channel here. I'm just going to click on any of my videos because I do have this added to my channel. The beauty of adding the watermark is that you set it up one time and it will show up on all of your videos until you decide to change it. So you can see in this video here in the bottom right, there's a little subscribe button. Now I'm already subscribed to my channel, so when I hover over it, I don't have the option to click that button. However, if somebody hasn't already hit subscribe, this will be red and they can click on it and they'll be subscribed to your video. So today I'm going to show you how to add that to your channel. I'm just going to go back to my channel home screen. And today we're actually going to click YouTube Studio instead of Customize Channel. So we've been on this button a lot. We're going to come over to the one on the right and go ahead and click YouTube Studio. Then on the left-hand side, when it loads, we're going to look for the settings option. It looks like that little gear or the cog wheel. It's going to take a second to load here. So you can see all the way down at the bottom. Let me move my little guy here. We want this settings button right here. So go ahead and click on that. And then we're going to look for the channel option. So you can see we're on general. We want to go ahead and click channel. And then we want branding when that loads. So we got 4 options at the top here. Go ahead and click branding. And then we'll be able to choose when we want to display it. So we've got this display time here, and we'll be able to choose our image. So you will already need your image ready to go on your computer, but I want to go over what these display times are. So right here you can see end of video. Well, you can see there's a question mark, so you can hover over it, but that means it will only show up at the end of your video. It won't be there the entire time. You can see when I hover over the question mark here that it says it'll show up for the last 15 seconds of your video. And then we have custom start time. So if you want to say specifically how far into the video you want it to show up, you can choose that. Or you can click entire video, which is how I have mine set up currently. So if I hit replace, it will show you it should match what your screen looks like going into it. Oh, sorry, remove, not replace. So if you've never set anything here, your screen will look a little bit, not a little, it will look like this, and then you would just hit choose image, and it will open up your files on your computer. So wherever you have it saved, you can go ahead and grab that image and then click it and hit open, and it'll pop right into place for you. I'm going to hit cancel. I don't want to remove mine. Yes, discard changes. So I'll go back in there and show you how you can edit it as well, because it's pretty much the same. Come on. Okay, so channel, branding. So if you already have one in there, like I do, you'll see you have the remove button, which I showed you already, or replace. So if you want to change it, so I just have the generic YouTube subscribe here. Maybe I want to go in and add my logo there that has the word subscribe underneath it. I would just hit replace, and it will again open up all the files on my computer that I have access to, and I would just click the one I want and hit open, and it will change to put that logo right here instead. Now again, I don't want to change mine, so that's okay. Then when you're all done, you want to go ahead and hit save, and you'll have added that watermark to all of the videos on your channel. So it will even go back to the videos that you have already uploaded. You don't have to go back and assign it to your videos. It will lay on top of everyone you've already added to your channel, and it will be added to all of the videos you have yet to upload. So go ahead and tell me in the comments what you plan to use for your watermark, and then that's going to conclude our training for the day. So go ahead and join me tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. for our next challenge. We'll be talking about live streaming on YouTube. I'll see you then.